United Arab Emirates there is a long tradition of sailing dhows. This heritage sport traces its origin to when dhows were used in pearl diving, fishing and transporting goods. Sailing races for traditional dhows are held annually during the months the climate is moderate. Dhow sailing is divided in three separate categories according to the length of the dhows: 22 feet, 43 feet and 60 feet. All boats are made of wood and are designed according to the traditions and secrets of the dhow sailing families. In these races sailors depend on their physical strength and skill to control the dhows. Dhow sailing skills and traditions are passed down by parents and grandparents, ensuring the current generation knows how to handle these magnificent boats in the wind and the waves. Races can include between 60 to 90 dhows. Al-Bawanish sailing. Al-Bawanish is one of the old traditional races, which people used it for fishing and sailing on shallow water. It has a unique way in making it, which is made of one wooden boat from trees' trunks. The size of the boat depends on the tree trunk size. Annual races started to get people's attention and number of participants reaches 160 sailors on 40 boats. 22 FT Dhow Racing. 22 FT Dhow Racing is the base of learning for this traditional sport. It is an important first step for young sailors aged 8 to 12 years. 22 feet dhow sailing is an essential part of the UAE's dhow sailing heritage. Racing in Abu Dhabi is hosted on the Corniche, with almost 60 dhows racing in front of the city. These traditional boats are made of wood and are rigged with one sail. The crew consists of 3 sailors aged 8 to 12 and 1 skipper aged over 18. This way, the older and experienced skipper can teach and pass their skills on to the younger generation. Each race is held over a 6 to 10 nautical mile course, with 3 races to constitute the championship. This program, organized by the Abu Dhabi Sailing and Yacht Club, aims to continuously encourage young sailors to continue the tradition of dhow sailing in the UAE.